The modification level of the SAMR model is in the upper half of the ladder, and it serves to transform instruction. At this level, technology allows the teacher to significantly redesign the task, and it is considered above the line because instead of using new tools to complete the same task, the modification level involves redesigning the task itself and transforming student learning. Examples of lessons incorporating this level include using the commenting feature in Google Docs to utilize feedback and collaboration, creating a word processing document that incorporates media such as images, video, and/or charts, taking notes that include visual or audio notes, flipped lessons in which a student views a video as homework and class time is used for reinforcing and reviewing the content presented in the video, creating a video or audio recording to narrate a written story, or creating a digital travel brochure that includes still images, audio, and video. To identify whether one of your current lessons uses a modification level, ask yourself the following question. Does student participation in the new activity depend on the addition of technology? If the answer is yes, this would indicate that this lesson is currently at the modification level. If you have successfully added augmentation into your technology integration, congratulations! You are going above the line and designing tasks that require higher level thinking skills. But wait, there's one more. The final level is redefinition, which will bring even more innovation to student learning. The redefinition layer will be covered in the next video segment.